What is up, guys? Today I have a quick video for you showcasing a new interesting accessory for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now personally, the Osmo Pocket 3 in my opinion is one of the best products that DJI came out with recently. In my personal use case, the Osmo Pocket 3 is perfect for two specific reasons: vlogging and car roller shots. Vlogging is pretty obvious. It's a tiny portable camera that you can carry everywhere with you. However, vlogging is obviously very much understandable use case for the Osmo Pocket 3, but I think the best use case for this camera is for car roller shots, because this thing is super capable. It's also super tiny, obviously, like I mentioned already. However, it produces some amazing rolling shots of cars that obviously take a lot more money to produce if you want to use a bigger, more powerful camera. So many people are currently using the Osmo Pocket 3 for this exact reason, car roller shots, myself included. So this is a new accessory from DigitalFoto that I want to showcase today in this video, because it's an interesting way to fix one of the biggest problems of Osmo Pocket 3 when it comes to car roller shots, and that is the wobble that sometimes is created when the camera just jumps up and down on the road, because the surface obviously is not perfectly flat all the time, and especially if you're driving in Bulgaria, it's always a problem. So to solve this problem, we have this spring mechanism that I will show you today. So this is pretty much a spring mechanism to eliminate that wobble, or at least make it a little bit more less noticeable, and to kind of avoid having this problem in your footage visibly. So this mechanism is basically a suction cup mount that has this little cover. So obviously you need to remove that. Put this whichever way you want on your car. It's really up to you. You have so many different ways of doing that. And with this little mechanism here that you need to pump, so you have a little white line on the side and you need to pump it until you don't see this white line anymore. So that is the indication that the suction cup is properly mounted. And then you have this spring-loaded mechanism that you have a little knob on to twist and stiffen or loosen the mechanism, and how much it actually bounces up and down. So you have quite a lot of travel to change the way it dampens the holder here, which is right on the edge of the whole mechanism, and this is where you put the Osmo Pocket 3. Apologies for this being so dirty and sandy, but it is after I already tested it. I tried it out, so I still haven't cleaned it up, but I wanted to make this video to showcase what you can expect from an accessory like this. I think it's about 100 bucks, and this spring-loaded mechanism I think really solves the wobble issue, with a big disclaimer. This does not work well on bumpy and super bumpy off-road roads. I immediately thought that I would go and test it out there first, because I thought this would be great for a surface like this, but it seems that I chose a location that was way too bumpy, so the footage really didn't turn out as good as I was hoping. Then we switched to another location, to a main road, where we can actually see the way this thing operates, the way this thing works. And I feel like for this specific scenario, this thing works a whole lot better. If you want to use this on a dirt road to shoot dirt bikes, for example, this really might not be the way to go, as you will see in the footage. You have a lot of vibrations depending on the track. Of course, if you are on a smoother dirt road, you might be actually able to get away with it, but if you have many bumps on the road, the Osmo Pocket 3 will still struggle even with this mechanism for providing good quality smooth results. I think it's a good investment if you're looking for a way to not only solve the wobble issue, but also just an all-in-one solution to put this on your car, to have a holder that has two different points of holding the Osmo Pocket 3, so it's quite stable in my opinion. The device itself is not moving at all when it's installed here. I think for an all-in-one solution where you can just put the Osmo Pocket 3 inside and not really have to think about vibrations and dampening that much after that, I think this is a great product. It's not going to be a magical solution for absolutely every single area that you want to shoot in, so you'll still have to think about the surface. If it's way too bumpy, it might not work too well, but I think nothing will really help in that specific scenario where I shot with the dirt bikes. You let me know what you think about the quality and the footage itself down in the comments. I'm going to leave a link for the Sniper Pocket from DigitalFoto for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Ciao.